The all-terrain has around 40 mm more ground clearance than the conventional C-Class Estate, and the wheels are larger in diameter. This makes the all-terrain suitable for poor road surfaces. The 4-link front suspension has slightly larger steering knuckles. A multi-link suspension mounted on a rear axle carrier is installed at the rear. For balanced ride comfort and high driving stability, the Comfort suspension with a passive damping system is standard for this model variant. A question of character: Dynamic Select with off-road modes. In addition to ECO, Comfort, Sport and Individual, the all-terrain has 2 further Dynamic Select modes for off-road driving. OFFROAD is designed for easy terrain such as dirt roads, gravel or sand. OFFROAD Plus with DSR downhill speed regulation is recommended for somewhat heavier and steeper terrain. Dynamic Select adapts the characteristics of the engine, transmission, steering, ESP registered and 4MATIC. The driver can switch between the driving modes by touch input in the switch panel below the central display.